Hello, good evening everyone. Once again, welcome back to our channel. My name is Amir Merchant. I am a licensed immigration advisor for New Zealand and ex-migration agent for Australia here at G.E.M.S International. Our office is based in Auckland, City of New Zealand. Please do read our legal disclaimer provided in the comment section of this video before watching this video. Thank you. Right, so in this video, we are going to cover or rather give you a quick introduction, a quick briefing about the China Working Holiday Scheme. So before you start watching this video, I would like to suggest that you also watch our earlier video, the link for which is again provided in the comment section. In order to familiarize yourself with the generic requirements under the working holiday scheme for all countries. So that will give you a better idea of what it is all about. So looking at the specific requirements for the China working holiday scheme, which are as follows. This scheme is available for 1,000 young citizens of the People's Republic of China annually. So yes, this is the annual quota. And the good news for the citizens of China is that despite this standard rule, the scheme is available to a further 1,000 young citizens of the People's Republic of China until the 11th of October 2023 this year. So if you are planning or you have been planning to come to New Zealand under this category, so this is an opportunity you should not miss. Coming to the next point, to be eligible for a work visa under this scheme, applicants must be citizens of China. They must be ordinarily resident in China and actually resident there at the time of applying. So what this means is that if you are a Chinese citizen, you must be physically present in China at the time of making this application and not working in another country or staying in another country for whatever other reasons. You should also have a minimum of New Zealand dollars 4,200 available towards funds for your maintenance during the period of your stay in New Zealand, which you can understand will be required for your food, accommodation, medical, transportation, and various other expenses. You must also hold medical and hospitalization insurance coverage for the period of your stay in New Zealand, and this is a mandatory requirement, quite obviously. You must also have at least a senior high school qualification granted in respect of a minimum of 3 years full-time study in China and show that you have a level of proficiency in the English language that is deemed to be at least functional by providing acceptable English language test results, which are set out in the table below, which I will brief you in a minute. So yeah, there are a bunch of other requirements, I will not go into the details of all that, but let us look at the other generic requirement, which is that successful applicants will be granted a work visa which will allow first entry to New Zealand to be made within 12 months of the visa being granted, and the visa will allow work and multiple entries to New Zealand for 12 months from the date of first arrival. Participants in this scheme must not work for the same employer for a period exceeding 6 months. Also, applicants under this scheme must lodge their application in the prescribed manner, which is normally in the online application form on the Immigration New Zealand website. Further documentation must be lodged by the applicant no later than 60 days from the date of advice from Immigration New Zealand. If documentation is not received by the deadline, the application may be determined on the basis of the information available on hand with Immigration New Zealand. Okay, so let us look at what are the acceptable English language test results. So one of the most commonly acceptable English language test result is the International English Language Testing System, also known as IELTS. This could be general or academic module. And if you are giving a test under the IELTS umbrella, your overall score should be 5.5 or more. Right. The other acceptable English language certification is the TOEFL language, which is, I guess, an internet-based test which can be done online. And if you are appearing for the TOEFL language test, your overall score should be 46 or above. The next acceptable English language test is the Pearson test of English under the academic module, where you must have a score of 42 or above. And there is a bunch of other acceptable English language test results, but these are the three main. If you are interested to know the other options, we will be happy to brief you on that if you contact us. Right. So yeah, that's all for the working holiday scheme for the citizens of China. If at all you are interested to apply, please do get in touch. We at G.E.M.S International not only provide you professional help, but expert advice for this category as well as many such categories of visa applications. And you can reach us on our WhatsApp mobile number given in the comment section, or we are also contactable on WeChat, which I understand is a more preferable option for our Chinese patrons. So do get in touch with WeChat, or you can email us if that is more convenient. And that's all on this topic. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. I hope you have found this useful. We will be back with another interesting video on a similar topic for our patrons from other countries. So do subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button and press the bell icon so you can get regular updates. Until then, stay safe. See you next time.